Boys, today.
Kampala boys.
Yeah, man.
Trending like that.
Yeah, man. Tuli fit, tuli steady. Yeah, man.
Hit after hit, muchikola mutia.
Katonda, kama Katonda yayamba.
Kama Katonda.
Yeah, man.
Wow, kakati wakati tumanye onako walero muze Zzina words embela lyetya.
Embela teida buzibu nnyo era nga wonajja bakati vetubadde tetwazze dda nnyo so tuli mu kusoma mbeera yaman tuli mu studying mbeera tulabe wekigwa
ekiriwo okubeera nga kuliko mu kifo ne bakyali baffe basaba bayambye bannaffe n'emikono gyaffe emirala tekibadde tekiseera kubeera okeri gye tubadde nnyo mu lockdown so tulya bulungi obviously tulya bulungi okwatunzeko
mulina mnadali mu categories nyingi kino kitegeeza kyokulaba nga mwemweka balina mnadali mu categories muwulira mutya nga Kampala boys
tuwulira bulungi ekitegeeza di music waffe yali appreciated n'abantu bamwagala era big up on yourself everybody buli agala B2C buli abagala XFM otunominatinga n'abantu bonna bonna otwagala we love you so much and don't stop the love.
Wow. Sofa musuubira akawungazi ka leero mugenda kutwala awards mmeka mwenga mmwe kye musuubira
awards zonna ze batunominatingamu twazitwala kubanga nomination yokka twawangula okitegeera 7 nominations.
Thank you so much. You're the Swimax guys.
We love you, NBS. We love you, Galaxy FM. We love you, our fans. We love you. We love everybody.
Big up on
We're only
yourself.
spreading love. We're only spreading love. Love.
Yes boss, enough love.
My brother, we love you. Uganda loves you. He has a brand new album out, made in Africa, and we should all check it out. I love you, Nina Rose. I love you, Fit for Maker, Mudra. God's plan, my brother. Feels so amazing to be here with everybody and their whole family. I love you guys. Liko, if Uganda was a person, God, you needed to know. Ladies, if you let it, she told me you can come anytime when you're ready. Suck a free boss, I'm back on the mic. You already know this Uganda talent. About to Zala Wabagamti. Yo! Bachari Bambe! Nabona Bari Batuzala Wabagambe. I wanna jagala from Monday to Monday. Hey! She wants my love, she don't want money. Hatimanyi muja kutana patufune. Anyway, baba yetanga akomererwe. Lobali mwachanga kwekola mateka akomererwe. Ulira nkwetanga baba yetanga kwekola mateka akomererwe. 1, 2, so lubakuba. Straight from the barrow you are get it. Come on, Ivan, whenever you ready. What is money? Hey, bona, omubiri. Oba mi baby Zzina sensible. Bona, omubiri. My nigga, sure. Njagala lumuzi je kunoneko kutwaleko outwate kolo tutoka mu picha. Bokuba kasimu koto jana mikwano joja siwa lonchoka tensaba. Sino mukwano bakupimisa mita. Obange bali bande mu kilomita. Get you a visa, take you to a visa. What is money for in the palace? So, now to your ula mumupi. Let us take no chances. Baby, when bang 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 dina way. What is money? What is money? Wesibawulira tolabizaleka tume what is money? What is money? And the world say what is money? What? Flora! Where? Rukwagala siri kuchawa baby waga Bonesika siri kukavya DJ Deno rolling Nemuweddeko kule munagana akagambako ku weekend nnyo palasi kalina ebigambo toyagala kwogera naffe kyokka luli ng'oliwo okuwa microphone saka freebas king of the east awe mudde nnyo mwana oluzungu lutawanyo kale as overwhelmed yewemudi wange yes, mwana mikwano gyange mwenna bakyali bange everybody that's here with us tonight. First I want to thank God the Almighty for making this moment possible. I want to thank my team Palaso mwenna Saka Freeze abali eyo mwenna team Palaso everybody I love you guys. My team Kama Ivan, my management I love you. Naye okusingira ddala award eno njagala egende eri buli muntu ng'ekyokulabirako. Njagala egende eri buli muntu anyooma munne. Njagala egende eri buli muntu alemesa munne. Njagala egende eri buli muntu alemerako. Njagala egende eri buli muntu alina apima banne n'alowooza nti wooli wogenda okubeera lubeerera. Njagala egende eri buli muntu atakkiririza mu bantu. Njagala egende buli muntu ayogera ekibi eri omuyimbi omunnauganda nga naye munnauganda munnaffe. Njagala egende eri bannamawulire olw'omulimu omulungi gwe mukoze. Njagala egende eri Galaxy FM mwebale nnyo. Njagala egende eri media. Njagala egende n'eri Katonda. Naye okusingira ddala njagala egende eri radio and Weasel. They gave me a chance nobody ever gave me in my life to live my dream. Njagala egende eri Jeff Chiwa olw'okuba kyali wange nayita mikono gye naye yagezaako kye yakolako. Njagala egende eri mama wange because she walked to every TV station and every radio station asking them to play my music. Njagala egende eri Mimi. Mimi, thank you for standing. N'otambula ebiro byonna bizikuwagazanye. Njagala egende eri all the DJs. I owe this much to you, but please don't ever give up on yourself. Njagala award eno ngiweereza okusemberayo ddala abantu. I am for the people, by the people, with the people, of the people, always with the people. I love you guys. May God bless you. Come on, Ivan. We did it, brother. I'm the artist of the year. Thank you, Galaxy. Thank you, Zzina. Thank you, Banange. Njagala omusajja ono twayita mu ghettos nyingi. Natuwanga stage tuyimbe nga tuli baana bato. Prem, of course, you've always been nawe ngamba Galaxy banji baweereza ba DJ Nimrod ba Habati bonna sobola bamalayo mwana. But ladies and gentlemen, 2020, I am your artist. I'm so humbled. I have no words to express my gratitude to everybody. Thank you everybody that believed, that didn't believe. Everybody that made this happen, thank you. Thank you, Ugandan artists. Thank you, Ugandan producers. Thank you, Eddie D, Red Pro. You guys, Acton Records, you produced this record. I am the artist of the year.
Daina says you should wish your brother a happy birthday.
Yes, that's my last word. Dr. Jose Chameleon, look what I've become, my brother. I'm the artist of the year 2020. Kwagala nyo muganda wange. Mukama kwecho singo kwagala. Ndi musanyufu nnyo kuba nti ngabanye generation nawe as a great legend. I am so humbled. I've learned so much from you. But one thing I've learned from you is to always be strong and never give up. Ivan Killer, this is for you. I promise I will bring the Grammy to you if you keep on showing me the same love. I love you.
Thank you so much for coming, guys. The Zzina Awards 2020, 2021. I would love for the artists to stay around and everyone else that I invite